Busy day today, doing a drone survey. It's a prerequisite for checking what's already been built on this construction site for a care home. Just doing a update on the topo before I start taking over setting out for the external works. Done my drone flight. So I've just got to do the reference shots to the ground control points, and then I've got another job to do about an hour away for another setting out site. So I've going to use the drone to do another verification survey for the existing topo, which has got no ground control or control stations at all. Re-establish control on the site, verify it all, and then I can look forward to setting out 14 industrial units. After a bit of a foggy start this morning causing a bit of delay, and then I've had to get my head around the new firmware update which came out yesterday. Some good feature changes in that, some simplification, but some of the things like terrain following were there but hidden away. So having sorted out all of that, I've now finished for the day, so I'll head back to the ranch, download all the data and start processing. Bye for now.